Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm creating this video actually to respond to the question people had when using the DJI Mavic 2 Pro for drone fishing. They had this problem that every time that they would stop, they would start recording the fishing hook would be released and it would drop on the water every time they would start the camera. Why is that and how to prevent that? So that's what I'm going to explain. Most of the drone payload release mechanism is activated with the LED light optical sensor. It has the actual relay on the, or actually the actual motor that actuates the release mechanism is activated with the optical sensor that goes above the LED, front LEDs, that is these guys. Let's see, let me show you the LEDs. This LED and that LED, these are the front LEDs. So the optical sensor goes over this, which will basically every time the LED is on, basically the payload is released, and every time the LED is off, it's not released. So the problem with that is that a lot of the time the actual recording functionality of the camera, as soon as you turn on the record, those lights will turn off. Basically, the lights will turn off, and you cannot turn it on to activate the release. So in order to activate the release or actually drop the fishing hook, you have to stop recording. So you are going to miss recording the important moment of releasing the hook to fall, or any other payload that you have to release. And how to fix this problem? So what you need to do is you need to go to the camera settings. I'm gonna show you. And your actual DJI Mavic 2 Pro camera settings, you go to the settings, you go to that little option with a gear up on the top, and right here where it says head LEDs auto turn off, it's normally on, you have to turn it off. So basically you have to turn it off like that. Now the recording functionality has nothing to do with the LED. So basically, if I want to release my payload, I simply program whichever button I want for the release mechanism, and in my case I have chosen this button to release the payload, and as soon as I press this button, the lights will turn on and off. And let me show you that. So here I have the unit, and I'm going to watch these lights, this and that light, watch these lights. So basically now the release mechanism is engaged. Now when the lights are on, it's released, and it has nothing to do with the recording. You could record and the lights are on, you could stop recording and the lights are on in both cases. So basically, yeah, that's how you take care of that issue in order to be able to record without having to turn the LEDs off. All right, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.